Howdy. Some cloud watch from above and below. I'm somewhere here, which is weather-wise an interesting spot to be in today, because we seem to be in between two pulses of weather from the Arctic. And if it just only would load, then we could watch the movie. Thank you. Anyway, the pictures I'm gonna show are approximately made 2 or 3 hours ago, and approximately in this region, into different directions. And here is the radar images from today, so there is something going on. Obviously. But anyway, let's have a look at some pictures. That's at the shore of the lake. And it seemed to be really active sky, since those clouds were moving quite fast. And it was really windy. And it's just a quick overlook over the situation, what we have there. And that's some dark sky there. Intriguing colors. And this is blue sky, obviously. But here on the horizon, it's not. And also here, one may think this is blue sky, but it isn't. Here you can see the layers of the clouds which are on the horizon. And I guess that's snowfall there. Same picture, a bit increased, with these really nice curvy forms of those filaments. And here is like so much increased that it's already grainy. But anyway, nonetheless, we got to see those features here on the side. Somewhat similar features here. And obviously, the border to Russia is closed. They're spotting up a whole lot of wood there in the harbor. That's just 2 or 3 minutes later, you can already see something has changed. Similar picture, just increased contrast and stuff, and that's also interesting. There is this kind of white ball. Sometime later emerged these kind of clouds, and I thought they're interesting because we don't get them often here, that we have this kind of. You could imagine that there would be a volcano underneath. There are many pictures with volcanoes and these kind of clouds on top of it. A little bit increased. And if you zoom out a little bit more, you can see really the edge of those clouds, and there's really something going on up high in the atmosphere. Jet stream winds, I guess, we are seeing here, or at least really high clouds with these filamentary perpendicular features. What we would expect of plasma, how it would behave. And these are really intriguing clouds. This is when I look to the right. Similar picture, increased. And I was wearing glasses, sunglasses, polarized glasses. That's really cool. This is when looking to the left. Maybe you haven't noticed, but here we have this kind of colorful thing. And that's the same picture, just upright in order to see the whole structure. And it's not the whole, it spans the whole sky almost. But here, there's this neat, colorful spot. That's the same picture, a little bit increased now. You can also better see that. And it's somehow interesting. It seems that it would go down, but it might be, it just looks like that. And there's like all kind of features going on here as well. Here, triangles, perpendicular lines and squares and all kinds of things. Very neat. I'm not a cameraman. But we could watch it with sound. Yeah, they were interesting to watch. And you can see also, like, even in the video that they are moving. So the whole thing is moving rather quickly. It depends on the height. The higher clouds, they're not really moving, they're just like reshaping their forms all the time. And this is really interesting, I guess. Or I would say, and it has also this perpendicular, maybe it is spinning. I guess it is spinning. It looks like it would spin. Maybe it just does it really slowly that we cannot really see it. Here's another region where it looks like it would spin, but now I messed it up. Oh, anyway. Oh, here it is. This which goes upright. This could be also, spin around its own axis like Birkeland currents do. Yeah, and that's the last one. Also interesting with these clouds rolling in. And there were these really fine filaments. Hard to see. But as I increased a bit the, what is it? Contrast. They got visible a bit better. Also, same here. We have these lines, and furthermore, we have these streaks which go perpendicular to the whole thing. I know it's hard to see, but I'll leave it here. Thanks. Really interesting sky today. Bye.